Multiplication of three numbers with three digits. Multiply 334 times 152 times 200. That's a really big problem, so it's important to stay organized. So first we start with 334 times 152. You can use your place value chart to help you keep the numbers organized. 334 times 152. Start with the ones, as 2 times 4 equals 8. Next, 2 times 3 equals 6. And 2 times 3 again equals 6. So we have 668. Next, we want to multiply by 5, but we're really multiplying by 50. So we're going to put a 0 in the ones column. 5 times 4 equals 20. Put a 0 and carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15, and then we need to add that other 2 for 17. So we put a 7 and carry the 1. And then 5 times 3 equals 15. And we add the 1 for 16. Next, we need to multiply by 100. So we put a 0 in the ones, and we put a 0 in the tens, and now we multiply by 1, which is 334. So now you add all three numbers together. 0 and 0 and 8 is 8. 6 and 0 and 0 is 6. 6 and 7 and 4 is 17. Put a 7 and carry the 1. 6 and 1 and 3 is 10. So you put a 0 and carry the 1. And next we add 3 plus 1 plus 1, and we get 5. So 50,768. Now we need to multiply that by 200. We need a little bit of a bigger place value chart. So 50,756 times 200, which is pretty easy because you put the 2 zeros first, and then you multiply everything by 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Put a 2, carry the 1. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 1 is 11, so put a 1 and carry the 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 equals 15, so 5, carry the 1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 equals 1, so we put a 1 down. And then lastly, 2 times 5 equals 10, and we put a 10 down. Don't forget to put your commas in your number. So our answer is 10,151,200.